In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Hunter Assassin app not working. So if you are experiencing any challenge with this game app, such as the app can't open or it keeps on crashing or even it is too slow, then let me show you how you can fix this. If this helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now to fix this, you need to use any of these methods. In the first method, we shall access the game info page, and that is by long pressing on it, and you should see app info. If you can see this app info option, you should see settings gear, tap on it, or even the name of the app, tap on it to access the game app info page. At this point, first we need to go ahead and clear the game data, and if I go to storage here, you can see a breakdown of data stored by this app. Of importance is this cache data. So accumulation of this cache data might be the reason why your Assassin Hunter game app is malfunctioning. To clear, tap on clear data and then choose clear cache and then okay. At this point, restart your smartphone and then open your app, and now everything should be okay. In most cases, this should be able to fix your issue. However, if you're still experiencing any challenge, then you need to go ahead and clear all the game data, and you have to note that this will reset the game. You lose all the levels you had played up to, so you can consider this as the last option. If that doesn't work, then you need to go ahead and access the app through Play Store or App Store if you're on iPhone. From here, go ahead and tap on the app and find out if we have any update. One of the reasons why this game app might be malfunctioning is because you are using an outdated version of Hunter Assassin. So update it to the latest version to get the latest features that comes with this app, as well as to fix any other issues. But should you still experience issues such as the app still crashing, then you need to go ahead and uninstall this game app all at once and then install it afresh. By doing so, you will be able to clear all bugs that might be associated with Hunter Assassin game app. So by using any of these methods, you should be able to have your issues sorted. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.